Hey, this is PSN CMX43. There's a video.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you what's on lately. First Prestige, Modern Warfare 3, finally.
Oh wow, would be last day.
Took me one day. Let's see, this guy, Fallout 3 Legend, he barely goes on. See, since
Little cock. Don't start it, let me just make a class real quick.
since 4 months ago or 5
Let me
months
create a
ago,
class.
the only person I've been playing with was Die and Fallout 3 Legend
And me?
and my brother. Since my friend's PS3 broke, he hasn't been on. Savage Mohawk. Yeah. You know, been left by myself. And it's kind of gay. Fallout 3 Legend plays with his friends on the Xbox. Die, he's the only person who's been playing with me and my brother. But this is kind of gay. Like, who is real and who is fake? Don't know.